fella in a padded cell. Now, he looked just as sane as he could be. When I asked how he got there, he really couldn't tell. So I thought I'd solve the mystery. I spoke to him, and gee, how mild he seemed. But when I mentioned women, he just screamed. Women! Ah! Women! Ah! They're the only cause of my despair. Women! Ah! Women! Ah! Pardon me, you'll have to tear my hair. There. I never cut out paper dollies in bed. My mother never let me fall on my head.
It wasn't liquor.
No, no, no.
Money?
Oh, no, but women.